today, 31st of May, the another baby birds of Feliz and Ota came out to the nest at 38 time. Wow! No, 2039 time here in Iswing. Wow! I have another for you, baby. I think there is more inside the nest. There is more. There is more coming inside the nest. You know, I have now a lot of birds. From 2, now we have more than 20 birds. You know guys, what I've been doing? I'm always changing every morning their water, and I clean every day the water from drinking and the water that they are using for swimming. And every Friday and Saturday I clean their howla.